Ayo guys, what's up? May nakita akong squirrel habang nagbabike ako. Siguro patay na to. What's this? See? Oh, patay na. It's dead. Squirrel dead. Ewan ko lang why he's dead, why they dead. See, habang nagbabike ako, ayun, habang nagbabike ako, nakita ko yung squirrel, patay na. I found it, it's dead. Oh, kawawa naman. Oh my god, squirrel is dead. Siguro gugutom siya. Malit pa lang, baby pa lang na ano. This is a baby squirrel. Baby. Maybe this is hungry. See? Maybe this is hungry. That's why he dead. Oh. I keep it so like this. Okay. Bye bye squirrel. Bye.